Hi friends, welcome to my channel today, and I'm going to be telling you about organic medication for rabbits. I think there has been quite a number of requests by various people who would rather choose the organic way of raising rabbits than having to use medication. Well, I have had so many of you requesting for that video, so I'm going to be making it today. But I have to be honest with you, if you run a large capacity farm, rabbit farm, there will be always need for medication, inorganic medication. Yes, no matter how much you try to use organic medication, there will be instances where you will have to use inorganic, especially because of instances that require quick intervention. However, today I'm going to be teaching you about simple, easy organic medication that you can actually use for your rabbit farm and for your rabbits to keep them in good order. And it's very simple. Someone was still talking about this organic medication to me recently, and she was telling me that she bought the organic medication and stuff like that. And I was just thinking in my mind that the things you buy, I wish you knew the things they use in making them, so that you can make it yourself. You don't have to buy it. You understand? You can make it yourself. You don't have to pay money. But of course, what you don't know, so you're definitely going to end up paying. All right, so to make organic medication for rabbits, get garlic, ginger, and turmeric. Garlic, ginger, and turmeric. So you're going to grind all of them together or just cut them into pieces. Yes, garlic, ginger, and turmeric. Cut them into pieces and put them inside the bottle. And you can fill the bottle with water, and close it, lock it for 3 days. After 3 days, it will have fermented. Then you can start using that fermented liquid for your rabbit. It is very, very good for them. In fact, it will fight most of the issues that rabbits have, from coccidiosis to bloating to other issues. Do you know that if your rabbit is injured on the skin, you can actually put wool in garlic and ginger and put it on that spot where the injury is, and your rabbit will get healed automatically on its own. Yes, it will get healed. Like, it will get healed so fast. And also, you can actually put it inside their drinking water. It also helps the males to perform very well. Your active bug, or maybe you have bugs that are not active, you understand, if you use garlic and ginger mix, it will help them to perform better. You understand? So if you're going to use them in the next 2 to 3 days, you can actually start giving them garlic and ginger mix from now. Also, the same thing applies to your female. If you want the female to come on heat more easily, you can actually give them garlic and ginger mix instead of actually giving them ivermectin injection. Yes, they will come on it quite easily with that. Another very good organic medication for rabbits is your bitter leaf and scent leaf. Now, some people have the culture of shrinking it and bringing out the liquid and giving it to their rabbits. I don't advise that. Rabbits respond to these things in a different way. So, and when it comes to organic medication, one of the challenges that most people have with organic medication is the fact that they cannot adequately follow a particular dosage when administering it. So sometimes the problem with organic medication is that if it is in excess, you can start having an adverse effect. It will start having an adverse effect on the animal, and the purpose of using it will not be jeopardized. So to avoid the possibility of that tendency, it is good that you should use them in a minimal way. So that bitter leaf and scent leaf are very good for rabbits, including mango leaf. Yes. In fact, if your rabbit is sneezing, mango leaf can actually take care of it. You understand? Yes. So you can give them bitter leaf and scent leaf once in a week. Yes, it is very, very good. It boosts their immunity a whole lot. You don't need to shrink the liquid inside. If the rabbits eat the leaf, both the fiber and the liquid are already inside the animal, so there's no need to squeeze it. If it is chicken you want to give now, then you can be talking about squeezing out the liquid content that is in it, because the chicken are probably not going to hit the leaf anyway. So you can squeeze out the liquid and give it in their drinking water. But rabbits are herbivores, so they're going to definitely eat the leaf. So you can actually let them eat the leaf and they are good to go. You understand? So you can give them bitter leaf and scent leaf once in a week. Yes, once in a week is enough. Even the garlic and ginger mix, if you're going to give your rabbits garlic and ginger and turmeric that you have mixed, you should just give them for maximum of 3 days. Yes, you can do it today, tomorrow, and next tomorrow inside their drinking water. That is enough. You understand? Organic medication are effective, but they are excessive, can have an adverse effect on the animal. Most of the issues that rabbits have, they are super taken care of with just that simple mix of ginger, garlic, and turmeric. You understand? If you give it to your rabbits that are bloated, the bloat will be taken care of speedily to even cure the bloat much more faster. You understand? And the good thing about ginger garlic turmeric mix is that you can even give it to a pregnant rabbit. Yes, it does not affect the baby that's growing, as long as it is not given in excessive quantity. You understand? So a little quantity is what you're going to use inside their drinking water, and trust me, your rabbit are good to go. It helps them to grow well. It helps them to digest food more properly. You understand? It prevents bloating from maybe feed or whatever reason. It prevents those bloating. You understand? And it helps them to also conquer most of all these their antibodies and the biotics that affect them. You understand? So this is a very, very good organic medication that you can opt in for, especially for most people who cannot inject the animals and all those things. You can actually make use of the organic medication and your rabbit are good to go. You can also give it to the weaners, both when they are with their mother. You can give them together, and when you have weaned them, you can actually place them on ginger, garlic and turmeric mix inside their drinking water for 3 days. After 3 days, you return them back to the original normal neutral water. You understand? If you do it that way, when they are 5 weeks, when they are 6 weeks, when they are 8 weeks, and after you have weaned them, it will help them to prevent coccidiosis. It will boost their immunity. They will not be affected by coccidiosis. Their immunity will be strong, and it will help them to grow well. So that's what I have for you guys today. And if you have any question, make sure you drop the question in the comment section, and I'll reply. Thanks for watching. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.